everyone, welcome back to the videos. It's wonderful to have you here as always. Today I am going to be throwing in these bad boys. Hopefully I can do it relatively easily and or quickly. But before I do, I want to give a massive shout out to those of you that have already gone and purchased a sticker. I've posted them out already, and if you haven't received them already, you should receive them sometime in the next week. I think some of the ones that were a bit further away will probably take a little bit of extra time for you to get them. For those of you that haven't purchased a sticker, if you like what I'm doing and would like to support the channel, I would really appreciate the help. And you can go into the description below, follow the link to the website, and then from there purchase yourself one of these pretty awesome stickers. I think they've turned out pretty good, and I'm looking forward to seeing more of them sell and post them out to you guys. If those do well and I can sell all of those, then I will probably consider getting some t-shirts or hats made. I really want to do a hat. I love hats. I've got quite a few of them in there. This is just one that I wear because I'm not too worried if it gets dirty. But I would love to have my own hat and or t-shirt. So go down to the link in the description, grab yourself a sticker, support the channel and the builds, and yes, builds. There's another one to come, hopefully in the new year. Again, I need your guys' help to make a start on that. I might consider making a patron page for that build, just because my money's all tied up in this thing and living, and yeah, I'm gonna need your guys' help to really kick that one off. So I might make a patron for that so that we can get it underway. Hopefully I think you guys will like it. But for the time being, today is injector day. I got these ID 2200s so that I can run all of the boosts and make all of the powers. My T-bolt clamps came in, so hopefully I'll get them fitted when I get the intercooler piping rerouted. And yeah, it's bloody hot out, so I don't want this to take too long. I also have some other arrangements this afternoon that I have to do, so we're going to try and bang this out pretty quick. My plan is, I'm hoping that I can simply take these coils off and just lift the plenum up, pop all the injectors out of the bottom, fit the new ones in there, put the clips back in, etc. Plonk it back down, plug it all in. These ones also don't have, I'll get them out and compare when I get them out. But yeah, basically I don't want to have to take this thing right off. I think that throttle cable bracket's going to be a bit of a tricky thing to work around. These coils aren't too bad to get off, they are a little bit of a pain in the butt. But hopefully I can work around those as well. So that's where I'm going to start. I'll pop you guys on the tripod and we'll start getting those coils off and work from there. Alright, start with these guys. I feel like these are going to be a real pain in the butt. Getting these injector clips off may be a bit tricky. I'll try. So that gets unplugged. That gets unplugged. Trying to get this injector back in is going to be a pain in the butt. These are the old ones. These are the old ones. You can see I had to have this adapter on there because they're like the US car plug, and the factory Commodore stuff is that. That was good. They came with the injectors there, the 1000s. These are the 2000s or 2200s. I got them with the factory style plug, so I won't have to run this adapter. And these ones I'm going to keep for that other build when it actually starts, because I think I'm going to need these. But for now, these bad boys are going in here. And hopefully, I'm hoping they're going to be all I'm ever going to need for the fuel. All of the fuels. Alright, that's that side done. I did think that was going to be the more difficult side, but I bet you this is going to turn out to be the more difficult side. Meant to be. Whether or not it actually will be. At this stage, tomorrow's only meant to be 29. What? What's so fucking cool, man? At the moment, it's like 36. No, 36 yesterday.
Yeah, buy my car and then go to Japan.
and buy parts for my car in Japan. And she just said, oh, but you know,
I see so many E36s and I want to ask them if they're on, but at the same time, I don't want to go through the hassle.
get on your fucking home. Why?
Talking about vibrant plants.
Speed Academy.
Yeah.
I think I know the episode you're talking about. I watched that the other day.
Blow off now, you fuck. Making it.
Alright, well, that's it. I've got new silicone joiners. You can't see that one, but all the way around, another one under there. I've got my ID 2200s in there. Things flashing at me. Hot. Yeah, so ID 2200s in there. New clamps, new silicone, new filter, and that's going to be it from me in this video. Don't forget, head down to the link in the description to grab yourself a sticker if you haven't already, and stay tuned for the next video where we fire this thing up and we take it out and work on the tune for the 2000s and turn up the boost until the clutch slips or something doesn't break. Anyway, that's going to be it from me in this video. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to grab a sticker, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Hey, yeah, there's something to say.